Morning. Greetings one and all. It is day 3 of our camp out. So what I'm gonna be doing is gonna be making some oatmeal for breakfast because I happen to like oatmeal a lot. So I'm gonna be using the grill grate, which, where did I put it? It must be over with my other stuff. So I like oatmeal. Get a nice warm meal in the belly. Get your day going. I already packed up all my hammock and everything. It's already in the car. All you gotta do is basically grab a few things and I'm out. So let's get some breakfast going. Go. So I was just thinking, I've actually done this oatmeal. I've done the oatmeal in this very same pot on another trip. I'm mostly pretty much showing the grill. I'm sure I did a video on it. Excuse me. If I did, I'll link it below. I'll see if Amazon still has them, and I'll link those as well. Because I like showing off handy products. You know, they never sent that to me. This is something I purchased. It was like $20, so I'm hoping there's still 20 bucks, and I'm hoping they're still available. So, fingers crossed. Alright. I'm using old-fashioned oatmeal. That's how I roll. Get a nice. Actually, I think I had a serving and a half in there, so I didn't have enough water. I may have to add some. Whoops. It's been a while since I made this oatmeal. It's been a couple months, so it should be hot enough to heat that water up super quick. So, all right, it's cooking up nicely. Gotta love a $1 breakfast. I don't do that instant stuff. I especially don't do that instant stuff with the flavored ones, because all the sugar. I don't need the extra sugar. I'm already too fat. Alrighty, I'm gonna call it done. Oh yeah. Gotta love cheap food. It's delicious. Get that off the fire. Alright. Got my table of junk here. Let's glove off. Got a little brown sugar, as always. Gotta have brown sugar in your oatmeal. And I've shared this before, but I had peanut butter. I like the way it tastes. Also gives you a little extra protein. And it's just straight delicious. Nice. All right. Breakfast of champions. Oh yeah. I nailed it on the sugar, not too much, just the right amount.